Hey everyone, and welcome back to NMR. Over here we got our Nissan Patrol. At this moment of filming it's not really done yet, but at the end of the video it's completely done. So sit back and enjoy and leave a comment. Over here we got the Patrol. So I need to make the last video of the Patrol, and I didn't manage to get everything done because I was very busy and we need to go on vacation with the car. So it was pretty done, but I discovered some small cracks in the paint and I decided to do the paint job all over again. So this is a nice excuse to make the last video of it.
Sorry.
2,000 years later.
We're heading on to the HAP gearbox. Over here we got the gearbox, over here we got the parts. So it was a bit of a puzzle to sort everything out, but here we got everything on the table, and over here we got the HAP. So right now we're going to fit everything. We're going to put the transfer case on and let's see how it looks. So we managed to get the selector in. I make some nice cups for the drinks. So this is the TCU for the gearbox for the HAP, and over here I already make some nice plates for it to cover everything up. So now it's time to get some nice suede over here, and it's the same stuff that I used on the console over here. So I'm very curious how it looks like when it's done. So this is our test drive. I want to show you guys what this thing does. It's just a perfect daily driver, also with the 40-inch tires, so it's no problem. It's just a little shaky at 120, 130 kilometers an hour, but I don't drive that fast that often. So with this gearbox it drives just perfect. You can choose for automatic mode, you can choose for manual mode, sport mode, everything is possible. So I got several maps on the Turbolomic, so in total you got 8 maps. So I choose to pick them up, and it was map 6, and I changed it to the off-road map. And in that map it won't shift to the next gear. So when I put it in second gear, it just stays in second gear. So in that case I can get it into popcorn or something like that, or you just want to drive in first or second, it stays in that gear. And this mode is the automatic mode, and once go to the left you're in sport mode, and once you control the lever over here it's just in manual mode. So let's do some couple of runs and some launches, and I hope I don't break anything, because yeah, that's a bit part of the deal. So right now we are starting in manual mode, and I'm starting in the first gear, and I've chosen to do it in map 6, and that's my off-road map, and it won't shift up to the second gear till I say so. So let's try it out. You may have heard it, but I was in 4th gear and just the wheels just keep on spinning. It's just crazy. And that was sort of a lounge, sort of. I can do it harder with the T-brake, and it builds up to full boost and just full on throttle. But it's just crazy. I've got a valve in the exhaust, and you can hear it right now. It makes a lot of sound. So right now it's on manual mode. We put it to automatic mode. You can hear it automatically shifts up, and it's just for lazy driving. Yeah, when you're just driving, and it's perfect, but I rather like the manual mode. So you go to third, second. I don't know if you noticed, but it just lifts the wheel. So yeah, it's very fun to drive, but also a bit dangerous sometimes, but it's a lot of fun. Go to first. I've got no traction at all. It's just crazy. Okay, third, let's try it from second gear and no launch. So that was a fun drive. It was the third time that I pushed it a little bit harder than normal, but you may notice that I'm driving from the first gear to the fourth gear and the wheels just keep on spinning. So when the wheels are spinning, it's like they are going 150 kilometers an hour, and just the moment when you catch grip again, it's just a little bit dangerous. So I try to do not push it that hard, but it was a fun drive, and I really like the build. So we're going in the next one, we're going to build a RB25 engine out of a Skyline, and we're going to put it in a Nissan Patrol. So that is going to be a fun one, and I will make a lot of new videos from it. So stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!